guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, my name is Key Donette, and I came to you guys because it's Halloween season, so you know I had to do some type of Halloween tutorial, and I came up with this cut open wound right here. It's my first attempt, so I was pretty nervous, but I think it came out good. And guess what? I made it out of glue and toilet paper and blood. Glue and toilet paper. Yup. Give this video a thumbs up for me and leave comments. Let me know any suggestions you guys would like me to do, any makeup tutorials or hair reviews you guys would like to see. And go ahead and subscribe down to my channel if you haven't yet and you are a new viewer. If you'd like to see how to get this open cut wound right here out of glue and toilet paper and blood, stay tuned. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is take the glue. I'm going to just make the mark where I want my cut open wound to be, and then just pack on some toilet paper onto there, and then let it dry. And when it dry, I'm gonna cut a hole open into it. I think I have enough toilet paper. I put maybe like maybe 8, just packed on 8 toilet paper strips. And now I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut off the excess that I'm not using. Okay, now when that's done, I'm going to take some glue and just try to stick down the perimeter right here so it can stick to my face. Okay, like that, and I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, so after that dried off camera, all I did was just cut a hole in the center, and I kind of let it, like, you know, hang off as if my skin is coming off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and brown. No, first I'm going to do the foundation, put the foundation on the toilet paper so it can match my skin tone, and take some black eyeshadow and brown and red and just blend out the outside so it looks like it's a dark one. gonna take my black and my brown, and I'm just gonna go around here or in the insides and make that kind of dark. Don't forget to leave me comments, you guys, below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. And if you like the video as well, go ahead and thumbs up the video, because I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Take my red, and I'm going to go a little bit on the outsides and on the insides as well. Watercolor paint right here in black. I'm just gonna like kind of splatter in between some black marks and on the outside. Fun part is I'm going to add the blood. Ooh, that went everywhere. So that's the end of this look, you guys. What do you guys think? It looks pretty good, huh? For a first time attempt. I think you could get away with this. You know? Who gotta know that you use glue and toilet paper? Leave a like on the video. If you guys do like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are a new viewer, go ahead and subscribe down to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Happy Halloween.